Hey, I'm Tony King from Zerion, and today I'm going to show you an Epicor Eclipse tip. The tip of the day today is going to be about how you can keep backorder items from printing on your ship ticket. We all have this problem where we have many items on the ticket and we're only going to ship one of them today, but sometimes even a dozen of those items will print on the ship ticket to give to the customer. It's more paper than you need, it's more than they need to see. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to keep that from happening. I'm going to start with e-term and I'm going to open up a sales order. I'm going to enter in a customer. And on this example, I'm going to put in several different items. First one's going to be available and the next two items are going to be unavailable. But when prompted to go to the status screen, I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, I want to ship all of this on the same generation or ship them all together. I'm going to hit Alt-H, go to the status screen. I'm going to arrow down until I get to shipping instructions, and I'm going to put an exclamation point followed by NOBO, N-O-B-O. You can put whatever instructions you want to after that. So if you want, in my case, I'm going to deliver it before noon. I can go ahead and put that and it will still print on the ship ticket. So let's show you how to do that in Solar now. I'm going to enter in a new customer for a new order in Solar. I'm going to use quick sales order entry in this case. And on this order, I'm going to have several items. One of those is going to be available and the other two are going to be unavailable. Just quickly enter in those items. And then we can move to the header screen. On the header screen is where we're going to actually put in some characters in the shipping instructions field. So at the bottom of the header screen, in shipping instructions, I can put exclamation point and no BO, followed by whatever instructions I still want to print to either the warehouse staff or to the customer. Then I simply get out to the status screen. If I need to, I might need to combine the generations, close your window to save the order. This tip has been super useful with a lot of my clients, just to minimize paper and what you're giving to the customer, just being much more concise and much more professional since they don't need to see all that information. It's been really helpful to a lot of my clients. So I hope you find it useful and I hope you have a great day.